Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install Sea of Thieves game on Xbox app on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Now the first step is to make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically is set to on. In Windows 10, you will find set time zone automatically. Make sure that is also on. In Windows 11, you can go ahead and select the right time zone from here and then click on sync now. And then you can go ahead and try to install the game. Now, if you want to make changes with date and time, click on additional clock. You will find this option on Windows 10 somewhere on the right hand side. So click on date and time, click on change date and time. Select month and year from here and select the right date and then set the right time over here. Then click on OK. Also make sure the region is correct, so go to time and language and then click on language and region and make sure right country is selected over here, and then you can go ahead and try to install the game. Now the next step is to make sure you're logged in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. So on the top right here you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Make sure this account is same as the account in Microsoft Store. So you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store. And then on the top right here also you will find your profile icon. Make sure both the account are same. You are logged in with same Microsoft account on Microsoft Store and on Xbox app, and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to log out from Xbox app and Microsoft Store and then log in again. So click on your profile icon on Xbox app, then click on sign out. Again click on your profile icon, click on sign in, and then select your account, then click on let's play. Do the same thing with Microsoft Store. Click on your profile icon, click on sign out, sign in, select your account, click on continue. Now enter your PIN or password over here. And once you're logged in, you can go ahead and open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to run wsreset command. For this, go ahead and type in wsreset in Windows search box and then click on wsreset, and here you can see this black screen. Do not close this black screen. This black screen will go away and it will open Microsoft Store. And once Microsoft Store is up and running, you can go ahead and open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now over here you can see the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store, and now you can go ahead and open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. For this, go to the start menu and then click on settings. Click on apps, then apps and features. Now in the search box you can go ahead and type in Xbox. And in Windows 10, simply click on Xbox and then you will see the advanced option. In Windows 11, click on this three dot, then click on advanced options. Scroll down here, you can see the reset option, reset. And once the reset is done, do the same thing with Microsoft Store. So go back to apps and features, and then over here in search box you can go ahead and type in store, and then again go to advanced option, click on reset, and once the reset is done you can open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to update Xbox app from Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store on your computer and then click on Microsoft Store. Now on the top in the search box you can go ahead and type in Xbox. Click on Xbox app, and over here if you see the update option, click on update, and then in Windows 11 click on library over here on the bottom left and then click on get updates. You will see this get update option on Windows 11. On the top right here you will see three dots. Click on it, then click on download and updates, then click on get updates, and once that is updated you can go ahead and try to install the game. Now the next step is to make sure Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Services is installed. To install Xbox Identity Provider, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Xbox Identity Provider. Click on get. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store and then click on install or get. In my case, it's already installed. So over here you will find install or get option. and do the same thing with gaming services. But first of all, we will go ahead and uninstall gaming services. So go ahead and type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. So make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as administrator. Click on Yes to allow and then paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. And once this is done, you can go ahead and run the second command. So copy this command this time. This will go ahead and reinstall gaming services. So hit the enter key and then it will open Microsoft Store. Then you can go ahead and click on install. Click on Yes to allow and let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, you can go ahead and open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to start all these services. For this, open services in Windows search box. So go ahead and type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find IP helper, make a double click and then make sure it is set to automatic. Click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. Now find Windows Update services. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set it to automatic. Apply. If start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. Now over here, you have to go ahead and start all the Xbox services. So make a double click. Set it to automatic. Apply. Click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Again, set it to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Select automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Again, set it to automatic, apply, start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Microsoft Store install service and make a double click on it. Select automatic, apply, start, click on OK. Do the same thing with gaming services. So here you can see two gaming services. Make a double click. Make sure gaming services is running. So click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again, click on gaming services. If start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. Then try to install the game. Now the next step is to run Windows Store Troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu. Click on settings. Now if you have Windows 11, click on system and then you will find troubleshoot option over here. Now, if you have Windows 10, then you have to click on Update and Security. When you open settings, click on Update and Security, then click on Troubleshoot. In Windows 11, click on Troubleshoot under System, and then click on Other Troubleshooter. Scroll down here, you can see Windows Store Apps. Click on Run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, try to install the game. Now, the next step is to run PowerShell command. So go ahead and copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, so let the process complete. Now during this process, you will receive some kind of error message in red color. Just ignore it and let the process complete. Now once done, close this window and then open Xbox app and then try to install the game. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall Xbox app. So for this, go to the start menu, click on settings and then go to apps, then apps and features. Type in Xbox in the search box over here. And in Windows 10, simply click on it. Then you will see the uninstall option. Click on uninstall. In Windows 11, click on this three dot, then click on uninstall. And once this is uninstalled, open Microsoft Store and then in the search box go ahead and type in Xbox and then click on Xbox app. Click on get or install, whatever you see. Click on Yes to allow. And let the installation complete. And after the installation, you can go ahead and open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So go ahead and type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box and then click on inetcpl.cpl. Go to the advanced tab and then scroll down here. You can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all four are checked, then click on apply, OK, and then try to install the game. The next step is to run this sfc and dism command. For this, go ahead and type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Click on run as administrator. Click on Yes to allow. copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once the scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So once this is 100% complete, copy this command, paste it on the command prompt window, and then hit the enter key. And once the second scan is complete, 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to install the game. Now, in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 or 11 using media creation tool. So if you have Windows 10, copy this link. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and then run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next, and this will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. So once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so you can go ahead and click on install, and after the installation log into your computer and then launch Xbox app and install the game. Now in case if you have Windows 11, copy this link and then go to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool over here. Click on download now, and once the download is complete, run this exe file. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file, click on next. You can select desktop as a save location and then click on save. Now once the download is complete, you can go ahead and click on finish and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then run the setup file. So make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, and this will go ahead and load Windows 11 now. Click on install Windows 11, so click on next, and it will start checking for update. Now this process will also take time, and once done, before the installation, again you will see this screen ready to install, and then by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so click on install, and after the installation you can go ahead and log into your computer, open Xbox app and then log in, and then you can go ahead and find Sea of Thieves, and then you can go ahead and start installing the game, and you should not receive any kind of error message, and you should be able to install the game successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.